Poland's decision to replace its aging fleet of Soviet-era BMP-1 infantry fighting vehicles is driven by a combination of strategic, technological, and operational factors. Originally introduced in the 1970s, the BMP-1 was revolutionary for its time, allowing mechanized infantry to fight alongside tanks while offering both mobility and firepower. However, modern battlefields have evolved significantly, and the BMP-1 is now completely outdated. With modern threats evolving rapidly, it is no longer a viable combat vehicle for today's battlefield. Poland's decision to replace it is not just an equipment upgrade, it is a fundamental transformation of its mechanized forces. This shift enhances national security, strengthens military capabilities, and ensures better integration with NATO, positioning Poland's military among the most advanced in Europe. One of the Borsuk's standout features is its fully amphibious capability, a crucial advantage given Poland's terrain, which includes numerous rivers and water obstacles. The Borsuk is designed to cross water without preparation. It is equipped with 2 rear-mounted water jets, allowing it to maneuver efficiently in the water and ensuring that it can keep up with other amphibious-capable Polish units. Beyond its mobility, the Borsuk is designed to be a formidable combat vehicle with tank-killing capabilities. It features an integrated battle management system, BMS, allowing real-time data sharing with other vehicles, drones, and command centers to improve battlefield coordination. Since the ZSS-W30 turret is remotely operated, the crew remains protected inside the armored hull, minimizing exposure to enemy fire while still maintaining combat effectiveness. Its primary weapon is the ZSS-W30 remote-controlled turret, which houses a 30mm Bushmaster Mark 44 autocannon. This cannon is capable of firing armor-piercing rounds that can destroy enemy IFVs. Additionally, the autocannon can use airburst munitions, making it highly effective against infantry taking cover or small aerial threats such as drones. Alongside this, the turret includes launchers for Spike LR anti-tank guided missiles, which have a range of up to 4,000 meters and can penetrate advanced armor, including explosive reactive armor, ERA. This allows the Borsuk to engage enemy tanks and heavily armored targets from a safe distance. This combination of weaponry ensures that the Borsuk is not just a troop carrier, but a genuine battlefield asset capable of engaging a variety of threats. Survivability is a crucial factor in modern armored warfare, and the Borsuk is designed with advanced protection systems to maximize crew and troop safety. Its modular composite armor protects against small arms fire, artillery shrapnel, and certain anti-armor rounds, with the possibility of upgrades depending on mission requirements. Poland is also considering equipping the Borsuk with an active protection system, APS, in the future, which would allow it to intercept incoming anti-tank missiles before they strike the vehicle. In addition to its armored protection, the hull is specifically designed to withstand blasts from mines and improvised explosive devices, offering increased survivability in asymmetric warfare scenarios. To further enhance protection in hazardous environments, the Borsuk is fitted with a nuclear NBC filtration system, ensuring that the crew and troops inside remain safe in contaminated conditions. The vehicle is crewed by 3 personnel, a driver, a gunner, and a commander, while carrying up to 6 fully equipped soldiers in the rear compartment. Poland's new Borsuk IFV is a major upgrade, bringing modern firepower, protection, and mobility to its forces. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more military analysis. Thanks for watching.